When you're an engineer, should you become a chef later para exciting? Hindi ka naman magaling sa pagkain. If you're a chef, should you become a doctor later para exciting? Di ba dapat mag-aral ka pa ulit para lang maging doktor? If you're a farmer, should you leave your land so that you can venture on other things para to make life exciting? Why do you have to leave your profession in order to make life exciting? Alam mo, kung naboboard ka na sa profession mo, that means meron kang hindi inaayos sa profession mo. Kasi ang belief ko, walang katapusan ng learning. Let's take for example a nurse. Ordinaryong nurse ka. So 20 years ka na nurse. Pero andun ka pa rin sa mababang posisyon na nurse. Is there something wrong with nursing? Wala. Di ba? Pero dapat kung 20 years, andun ka na, senior nurse ka na. And then siguro mamaya, pag na-board ka na sa pagiging nurse, pala pumapasok, meron akong kilala, teacher na siya ngayon sa nursing school. Kasi ayaw niya na mag-duty-duty. Teacher na siya. Oh, level up yon. Kasi para sa akin, there's always a next level to go to.